Kani gadega Batisi TV, bat pidang pet yaki kubor baman kasngi. Haga jingdap shipho sngi pura jongga sarkar bathamai jongga jala hapok jing elam jong Konrad ke sangma kum menteri rangba kabalong ru ka sngi sedang jongga jingelang jongga yeng dorbar thawan ke jala halor ka mangtengka kalalong ka sngi sa kan mau ka ban ne ban sa haga history jongga jala kani kalong namar ke jingkren lamprang jong ulat ke jala u Ganga Prasad haga ba ulakren da kakten Hindi ka ba jan barok kit khot jongga yeng dorbar thawan kim sngotu satya kani ka governor's address kalong halor ki policy trekam jong sarkar na banta kani ka shisnem ya ka bakit khot jong yeng kinsai shimanta ha ka jingya tai lailut la kalong ban kershan ne ban persya ya ki rukam trekam jong sarkar halor ke jingkren lampang jong ulat da kakten Hindi don ki MLA ki balapan pau ke jing persya namar bakim sngutu watla don ki baong bakani ke syong haga mon jong ulat ban kren haga nogo nogo kakten ka ba usngobet baru balapan biang ya ki jingkel la sya kakten pareng
head of the stage never respect the flow of the house. It seems that he have let down the figure of antiquity of house. That is my suggestion.
We want just a little clarification. As you have stated that the English version is being circulated without our members. So can we take it for granted that the copy which has been circulated is a direct version of the governor's address?
It is a considered question.
Thank you.